So as you know, I rebuilt the K8 in the right-hand drive and kind of messed up on the oil pan gasket. Didn't put enough RTV between the block and the oil pan, so I have a small leak. And really don't want to pull the engine or drop the cross member or lift the engine off the mounts or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and try some of this Permatex spray sealant. Bit of a product review perhaps, but I've never used it before. Seemed to get pretty good reviews online. It's pretty basic. Just spray it on the affected area after cleaning it. Do like 3 to 5 coats, minute in between each coat. So I figured, you know, what do I have to lose, right? So let's get started. Came out looking a little weirder than I thought it would, but guess we'll just let it sit and see if it seals anything. So it's kind of messy. It, you know, sprayed everywhere pretty much, but got like 4 coats on there, waited about a minute between each coat, and it said wait about 45 minutes before returning the car to service. So the engine just chilling here, car's up on jack stands, just playing the waiting game now. But I haven't really seen any oil drip. It's just really just this sealant that's dripping off onto these towels. But we shall see. So that sealer has been setting for about 45 minutes or so now, and car is running. So let's take a look and kind of see what that oil leak is, if it even still exists. Oh, the floor seems pretty clean to me. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Well, so far so good, and that's a huge improvement over what it used to be. It used to have like a steady drip, like every 3 or 4 seconds would be a nice fat drip on the ground. And you know, right now it's looking like it's holding. The oil pan has the proper amount of oil in it, so I think I'll call that a win for now. But I guess only time will tell how long it actually holds. As always, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more, and of course, thanks for watching.